Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Pancake Dora cake. Start by whisking 1 cup flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 egg, and 3/4 cup milk until smooth. Heat a nonstick pan and pour 2-inch rounds, cooking 1 to 2 minutes per side until golden. Stack pancakes with fillings, press gently, and trim edges for neat Dora cake. Serve warm with syrup or fruit for immediate enjoyment. Combine dry ingredients first, then add wet ingredients to avoid lumps and overmixing. For fluffier pancakes, fold in beaten egg whites gently, and for richer flavor, add melted butter or oil. Use fillings like sweet red bean, custard, chocolate spread, or fruit jam, spreading thinly between layers. Maintain medium heat to prevent burning while ensuring full cook, and adjust batter thickness with a little more milk if needed. Let each layer cool slightly before stacking to avoid sogginess. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings music and timers into your kitchen while making Pancake Dora cake, which is oddly perfect. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe and like to support the channel and help us grow. I love using voice timers and recipe reminders on the Echo Dot while flipping layers. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Prepare a non-stick griddle or pan and use a 3/5-inch ring mold for consistent Pancake Dora shapes. Keep spatulas and a small brush handy to flip and butter the mold between batches. Press stacked pancakes lightly with a warm spatula to seal edges, then cool on a rack to set shape. For clean slices, chill the cake briefly and use a sharp knife or a warm blade for smooth cuts. Serve on a platter and enjoy with tea or syrup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.